I get it. I get it. This thing on? Okay, good. I'm ready. And rolling. Okay, welcome to Mr. Quick's flipped class. Today we're going to look at adding and subtracting mixed numbers, okay? This says, let's draw a picture of these mixed numbers. I've drawn the first one for you, all right? If you can spot the error in this sentence, let me know and I'll give you something tomorrow. Okay? What is this, all right? This circle has no pieces. It's all filled in. So what is it? It's a whole number. It's one circle, right? So that is 1. This circle is cut up. It's split up into 4 pieces. So I know my denominator is going to be 4 because there's 4 pieces of the whole. The only one that's colored in is, or the only piece that's colored in, there's 1 piece, right? 1 out of 4 colored in. So that's 1/4. So my mixed number in this case is 1 and 1/4, all right? Whoops. Let's go ahead and add 1 and 1/4, right? Well, here's 1 whole. I'm going to draw the same picture, same size, right? Here's 1 and 1/4. Now what if I could put these together, all right? The first thing I'm going to look at, I have 2 wholes, 2 whole numbers, okay? 1 plus 1, easy math, right? 2. Then what if I could take this whole, or excuse me, this 1/4 and add it to this 1/4, all right? So cross that out, I'm going to put that 1/4 right over here. What do I have left? I've got my 2, and then I've got 1, 2 out of 4. 2/4, okay? Let's look at that a different way. Got 2 fractions here. This fraction, I've got 1 whole and 1/4. Even though the rest of it isn't colored in, you can see that if I put that, if I overlap that, that's 1/4. I would need 4 of those to make the whole circle. So I've got 1 and 1/4. Down here, I've got 1 whole here. Even though it's cut into 2, both halves are colored in, right? So it's 1 whole. I've got 1 whole here. I've got 1 whole here. And over here, there's 2 yellow pieces. There would be 2 more to complete the whole circle. So I've got 2 pieces out of 4 total. So my fraction up here is 1 and 1/4. My fraction down here is 1, 2, 3, and 2/4. If I want to add together 3 and 2/4 with 1 and 1/4, all right, I've got the pieces here. I'm going to move this 1/4 down here. I'm going to combine them because if we're adding them together, we're putting them together, right? This right here. I've just added all those fractions together, and I've got 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes, 4 wholes, so I have 4 whole pieces, and 1, 2, 3 pieces out of 4, all right? So my 1 and 1/4 plus my 3 and 2/4, I put them together and I end up with 4 and 3/4, all right?